My friend Thomas, master chocolatier at Lindt, is here to bake me one of his amazing masterpieces.
One of my favourite cakes. One of my
Yes.
favourite cakes, and it's actually a ginger and chocolate cake.
How interesting, ginger and chocolate.
It's actually really nice and refreshing, and that sort of nice spice and bitiness of ginger as well. I think it works really well with something nice and dark and intense dark chocolate. So
I like the sound of that.
You like it. We're actually using fresh ginger in this, so this would be the whole ginger is fresh ginger. So I might actually ask you to do me a favour and whiz up the fresh ginger and some of the first chocolate.
I thought I would be able to just to sit here for the
today.
whole day and just watch you from afar.
You have to earn this slice of cake.
All right, Thomas, so into the blender. How much ginger have you got there?
So this is just 80 grams of peeled ginger and straight in with the first 100 grams of chocolate, and we just whisk that up until it's sort of smooth. In the meantime, I'll put together macadamia oil. So oil in cake is actually really good because it keeps them really, really moist and dense and just absolutely delicious. Caster sugar, and then a bit of golden syrup goes in here as well. And then we just give this a bit of a mix.
Nice. All right, I'm going to blend this.
That looks excellent.
How's that looking?
That looks great.
Okay.
You sort of don't mind to actually have a few little chunks in there as well, so that's all perfect.
The smell of this is incredible. Ginger and chocolate, such a foreign combination, but I can tell you that is the best. Okay, that's my duties for the day.
Excellent. Enjoy. Sit back and relax. In here, I'm just going to go straight with some plain flour, a little bit of bicarb soda as our raising agent. Okay, then we put a little bit of spice in. So I got some cinnamon, just a pinch. And then also a little bit of allspice.
I like this. It's very festive.
It is.
Christmassy cake, ginger, those spices, almost like a panopes.
It is, it is. No honey in this, but the golden syrup sort of brings that sort of nice sweet back note. So sift this up, straight in with an egg as well. Mix this first before we go in with the chocolate. So first thing, we'll put your beautifully chopped chocolate and fresh ginger mix.
Probably could have done it by hand, but...
You could even grate it as well, but you actually like a little bit of the texture in there. And then our chocolate, the last bit of chocolate.
And that's a combination of chocolate and water.
Yeah, so straight from the kettle, pour the water straight onto the chocolate.
Yeah.
And that will just sort of melt it. And then you have a nice decadent sort of chocolate base for the cake.
And we've got a loaf tin and you've lined it with a bit of baking paper for extra assurance. How long are we going to bake this in the oven for?
Look, it depends a little bit on the oven, but I would sort of check it after an hour. And just like any other cake, just put a knife in, and if it comes out clean, we're all ready to go.
Sounds good.
Give it a little bit of a tap so we don't have any air pockets, and straight in. See you in an hour.
And there she is in all her glory. Beautiful.
Smells good, no?
It does indeed,
Excellent.
yes.
Now, when it comes out of the oven, just sort of let it sit for 10-15 minutes for the cake to settle a little bit. And then we just take it out. While the cake is warm, I actually like to just grate a little bit of extra chocolate on it. And then that just slowly melts a little bit as well. So just microplane, as much or as little as you like, but more is more with chocolate. There we are. Now, would you like to try a little slice?
You know, I never say no to any of your baking.
So just transfer that. So that oil in there just really makes it nice and moist and decadent.
Wow.
You can smell the ginger.
Look how decadent that is. It is, like you say, moist because of that oil that we added. And I like the size, good size, not too small. I'm just gonna break this in half to start with a little bit. Ginger and chocolate are awesome.
Good combination.
You've got to get on the ginger and chocolate bandwagon because that is a seriously delicious cake. Do you ever disappoint me? Never.
Chocolate never does.
No, exactly. It's really good.